Well, there was at least one, but it was someone unable to justify anything because they were having a hard time themselves. Well, there was one person, Mom. It was Andrew's father, but because of his age and unstable health, there wasn't much he could do. Because of that, Andrew's mother became in charge of everything as he provided for the family. The accusation of me drugging his father was not something he could clear up because he knew nothing except my duty of making herbal tea for him every day. So, yes, that was the situation. So that's how it is. Oh, and where are Leo and Rosalind? I left them with Andrew because, as I told you after the words he spoke, how he is an independent man and how easy my work is, like he used to tell me, and how his work was harder than mine, I decided to give him a taste of his own medicine as well as make him accept his wrongdoings. If this accusation had not happened, then I was thinking of using a different way to make him understand me, by treating him the same way he treats me. But after this, there was no better option than what I would be doing now. That family was like strangers to me. Well, my dear, I guess that's how it is going to be then. Thanks to the two of you, I feel more at ease with myself. It's almost time for bed, so I'll go prepare. Don't worry, everything will be fine. You too, dear. It's night, and I'm sitting on my bed, thinking about the challenges of this world, while the emotions I thought I had shaken off begin to surface little by little. I'm blown back into memories of misery and desperation. A sudden thunderclap strikes my senses, and tears leak from my eyes, salty, with a sharp sting like lemon. The painful times between Andrew and me flood my mind. The wound I had barely managed to bandage reopens, and a volcano of agony burns within me. For a moment, uncertain care for him grows in my heart. Andrew, did he eat anything? How is he doing? You make it sound as if I can't survive without you. I'm an independent man, Scarlett. For my mother's happiness. No, he doesn't need you, Scarlett. Wake up. He told you he is an independent man. He married me for his parents, and that's that. You became weak for him again. Steel yourself for some time. You were too easy for this person. I thought that if you were with me, what else should I ask for in life? You were my hope. Even if I didn't have the world, so what? I was under the delusion that I had you with me, but I have learned from you that no matter how much you try to carve and shape a stone with love, the fact that it is a stone will remain unchanged. I rest my head on the pillow for comfort, letting my tears be wiped away and absorbed by it as I grapple with the painful truth. Andrew, you are like a beautifully carved stone. I only wish for you to realize it before time slips out of hand. Next day. It's morning. I look out the window. The sky is baby blue, decorated with white clouds, and the sun's golden rays glitter as they meet my eyes. I wonder, is it warmer this time? I hear the sizzling and stirring sounds coming from the kitchen. The dancing aroma feels soothing enough to feed my scars with some healing. It must be Mom cooking a delicious breakfast, probably curry and rice, which she makes for me when I visit. It makes me happy. What am I doing, lazing around like this and letting Mom do all the work herself? I should hurry and help her. I should have been the one making breakfast for them since I came here. Their daughter. Mom. Good morning. She looks at me, with gentle care swirling in her eyes, that bright smile as usual, cheering the mood. Good morning to you too, dear. She sounds melodious. Sorry, I unexpectedly woke up late today, probably because of yesterday. I thought I'd come and help you in the kitchen, Mom. She lightly laughs. It's okay to be lazy at least once in life. Well, the curry is ready to be eaten, and the rice is almost cooked. You go set the table, and after that, we'll drink tea. The one you'll make for us, because you make it so lovely. Sure thing. After finishing breakfast and seeing Dad off to work, I make some jasmine tea for the two of us to soothe ourselves. My mom loves flowers and enjoys gardening. All sorts of them. One of the flowers she grows is jasmine, known for its aroma. It fills the air with its sweet scent. I pluck some of them to make tea and walk toward the kitchen. I infuse the freshly picked jasmine buds into a kettle of pure spring water, where they dance and flutter gracefully, allowing their essence to blossom and become one with the steam. As they release their sweet flavors, I prepare 2 porcelain cups and gently place them on a tray. Bringing the kettle near, I pour the tea, the flowing stream imbued with an alluring harmony, enveloping the atmosphere in a tapestry of floral melodies that dance upon the senses.
Here you are, Mom.
Let's both enjoy a warm cup of freshly made jasmine tea. She smiles. How very kind of you, Scarlet dear. I hope you like it. She brings the cup close to herself. How delightful. The intoxicating fragrance mingles with the whispers of the breeze coming through the slightly opened window. But I have to admit, this tea is not good enough to distract my mind from him, since this is his favorite and I used to make it for him once in a while. But at the same time, the accusation of drugging his father also comes to mind. The moment Andrew refused to trust my words,